DIY Street Exhibit. Unleashing creativity on public roads. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. DIY Street Exhibit. This term might sound complex, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how it reflects creativity and community spirit. DIY stands for do-it-yourself, a phrase that encourages individuals to create or repair things on their own, without the direct aid of experts or professionals. The word street refers to public roads in cities or towns, usually bustling with people and vehicles. An exhibit, in this context, is a display or presentation of artworks, crafts, or items of interest. Combining these terms, a DIY street exhibit involves individuals or communities displaying their artistic creations or informational displays in public spaces, often without formal authorization or support from professional institutions. It's a grassroots approach to sharing art, ideas, and messages with the wider community. DIY street exhibits are a powerful form of public art and community engagement. They allow artists and non-artists alike to express themselves, make statements, or share their crafts with the public. These exhibits can range from simple displays of paintings or sculptures to elaborate installations that engage passers-by in interactive experiences. One key aspect of DIY street exhibits is their accessibility. They democratize the art experience, making art accessible to all, regardless of social or economic status. They also encourage community members to take an active role in beautifying and engaging with their environment, fostering a sense of pride and ownership. Imagine walking down your street and coming across a collection of homemade sculptures, or a series of paintings hung on a fence. These are examples of DIY street exhibits. They can also include community murals painted on walls or sidewalks, pop-up galleries in unexpected places, like parks or abandoned lots, interactive installations where the public can add their own contributions. These exhibits not only add visual interest to public spaces but also provoke thought, conversation, and sometimes even social action. We hope this exploration of DIY street exhibits has inspired you to see the streets as a canvas for creativity and expression. Perhaps you'll feel encouraged to participate in or start your own DIY exhibit. Remember, art is for everyone, and the streets provide a vast stage for the beautiful, the thought-provoking, and the extraordinary. Thank you for joining us, and keep exploring the richness of the English language and the world around you.